Good morning, everybody. Or no, I guess it's afternoon already. It is Shannon of SleighArts. I am in the middle of lunch for my dreaded 9 to 5 real job, I guess. I wanted to hop on because everybody should be getting a notification that your Legit Kits block of the month is mailing, so is shipping out. So if you haven't seen that email yet, be sure to check your spam and all that kind of stuff, your junk folder, the rigmarole there. Check that out. Also, if you didn't receive an email when you used my code, if you didn't get the confirmation email that you got your 10% off your first month, be sure to reach out to Legit Kits. Like, there's a contact us on their website. Just reach out to them. They're super fast about getting back to you. This is their first block of the month. That things happen. There's been so much excitement and enthusiasm about this block of the month. So there's going to be things, it's a learning curve. Just reach out to them. They'll get you hooked up if you didn't receive that. Also, there's still time to sign up for this first month. There's still time. May 20th at 5 p.m. Central is the cutoff. And so if you wait that until May 20th, you'll get confirmation that you signed up, and then May 21st they start billing for month 2, because they're going to be shipping out month 2 shortly after that, but still time. So I will leave the link to get you guys to Legit block of the month. But yeah, I just want to make sure everybody got their discount email. Everybody got their confirmation or their notification that their first blocks of the month are coming to them. It's 4 blocks in the first month's set, all in greens, which is making me very happy because green is my favorite color. So yeah, if you guys run into any issues, just shoot me an email at sleighArts@gmail.com. That would be cool. I will help you guys out as much as I can. Other than that, I'm going to wrap up lunch and get back to work. Thanks, everybody. I hope to see you on my YouTube channel, where we're going to sew these blocks live every month. It's going to be the first Sunday right after I receive them. I'm going to go live on my YouTube and sew it from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern time. So hope to see you there. All right, everybody have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to everybody soon. Thanks.